special words to Yami on your association for the future?
I would just like to ask you one last question. If Femina Salo and Spa were to do a men's special, give me a name. Who would you want to see on the cover?
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I think he's somebody who's really evolved himself over decades. I think in this industry, what is really important is to keep evolving with time, with characters, not just with films, but even off-screen. If you see him from where he started to where he is right now, I think he's somebody who's shown really everybody different avatars on screens and off screens, and I think that's really commendable to keep evolving, to keep growing every day. So I'm sure, and he's somebody whom you can relate with every brand, right from up there to, you know, a mass brand. So I think he's somebody who can easily, that will be very, again, because we went for something like this, because it's so different from me, it'll be very interesting cover, I think.
And someone who we can see paired opposite you? See, I'm pushing you.
Okay, I'm going to try to catch. I think they're all great. I think today, the amount of newcomers, of course, which of course I'm a part of it, it's amazing to see that there's so much talent, and I also see very healthy competition. I don't see it negative at all. I think it in fact, it challenges and pushes you more to work even more harder. You don't take your success of work for granted, because you know there's everybody out there, so you always need to be on your toes. So it's nice. You got the perfect answer.
Thank you very much for being a part of Femina Salo and Spa cover launch. You are really, really...
Thank you everybody in the press. Thank you Tanya. Thank you Yami.
Breaking that image and trying to do something different from.
We just did no. You saw the cover.
Yeah, I saw that.
So you think it justified that a bit? No, I don't know. Yeah.
Do you really think and try that?
Of course, I think that's why we did this cover. I'm very grateful. I'm very thankful that they came up with this idea, and I got an opportunity to explore that side. And as an actor, I think as much as it's important to experiment with your role, it's equally important to experiment with your looks. Of course, it shouldn't look that you're trying too hard to achieve something, but I think when you have a platform like Femina, they know how to do the right job. So it was perfect.
Okay, what's happening on the professional front? There are two upcoming films of yours, Action Jackson and
Total Siapa. जी.
उसके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे और एक उम्मीदें हो जाती हैं ऑडियंस की। विक्की डोनर के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन है यमी आपसे। क्या कहना चाहेंगे थोड़ा सा फिल्म के बारे में? If you can say something. It's too early to talk about, but still.
अच्छा, आपने खुद ही जवाब दिया, too early to talk. कितना अच्छा है। But Total Siapa अभी सिर्फ ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ है, and I'm very happy जिस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स ऑनलाइन मिल रहा है. I think that's the biggest encouragement. So I'm really looking forward कि फिल्म को कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा. हमने फिल्म देखी है, of course बहुत पसंद है, and it comes from very intelligent filmmakers. E. Nivas ने direct की है, and from Neeraj Pandey has written it, and it's Ali Zafar and the whole team. It was an absolutely delight to work with all of them. और इस तरह का response भी मिलना तो of course it's very encouraging. And about Action Jackson, again I'm going to start shooting this month. और बहुत excited हूँ to work with Ajay Sir, Ajay Devgan, and Prabhu sir is going to be directing it. So it's going to be something again very different, and I'm really looking forward to it.
You're not excited working with Sonakshi Sinha?
Of course, why not? She's a fabulous actress. Why not?
You didn't mention her name, na?
You just asked me to tell you in brief. So.
Okay, tell us why Yami? Why not somebody else?